Want to know how to delay enemy ultimates easily in Paladins? So here's a pro Paladin trick that will help you take less damage as well as delay the enemy ultimates. So let's get straight to it. So you need to know that enemy ultimates aren't random, they are reaction based. So you need to play aggressively for a few seconds and then fall back, take over, and heal. So enemies sometimes panic ult when they think you're committing. So you need to bait them, dodge it, and then re-engage while their ult is on cooldown. This creates a free team fight in a wing window, and a good timing always beats raw aim every single time. So this is it. This is how you easily delay enemy ultimates. You need to bait them and not get any kills, or just keep killing them in order to delay the ultimates and even get less damage or get killed. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.